tayo mismo ang lumilikha o gumagawa ng suliranin na kinakaharap ng kondisyon ngayon ng ating planeta. Kaya ang pagdiriwang ng Earth Day in a way of a buffet style is to remind people na by shifting to a plant-based diet, it greatly helps the improvement of the condition of our only planet. Bakit? Nagtataka yung iba, paano kung mag-shift ka sa plant-based diet, it greatly helps the condition of our environment. Well, there are some research, and these are pathways, na ipinaliliwanag, no? From economic standpoint, to environmental, to ethical reasons, and to health reasons, na in general, yung pagpapalit ng diet from a non-plant-based to plant-based diet would increase the condition of our planet. So, in that regards, we have to think carefully, not only for ourselves, that by shifting into a plant-based diet, we are not only helping ourselves, but we are also helping the environment. So, and there is no other way to celebrate it much better by holding an Earth Day buffet, which we have right now. So, again, in behalf of Dada Nitya Sundarananda, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude for those who have come and those who are coming for joining our event today. Thank you and namaskar to all.
Your demand like that. You're going please to the left, and then you go like that. So this is the Korsiki dance for us. Baba give us very useful, and we should practice regularly. So the
vegetarian is pagkain kung saan nandun yung mga nutrients na kailangan ng katawan natin.
I love this tiny green island surrounded by the sea. That's by the sea. That's by the sea. Decorated by the sea. Tiny green island surrounded by the sea.
Aalalayan ka sa pagluwas, sakit sa puso'y lumalakas, pagkabalisa, ano ba ang nagawa? Liwanag sa pintong naghihintay, iyong lumbay, unti-unting nawawala. Unti-unting nawawala. You'll never want to go back to whatever you went through. La da 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 da. Oh, come along with me to this secret paraíso. You'll never get enough of your trip to Mother Nature. Just give me one whole day to show how beautiful.
Thank you and namaskar to all.